Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to teach you how to develop your repetition to where you get perfect aim. And first I want to explain what I think perfect aim is. Perfect aim to me is where your body can just look at the shot for like a second, look at the angle, and then just get down and shoot it. No matter how difficult the shot is, your body can get down, see the angle, and just shoot it. That's called muscle memory. Your muscles, you've shot this shot before. Your brain is like, okay, I've seen this before, I've made it before, this is how you do it, and then you do it. But for some people, especially starting off, getting that repetition down is hard if you can't make the shot in the first place, if you can't see the line. So today I'm going to introduce you to these balls. These are called Cut Shot. The brand that makes these is Cut Shots. And I've recently partnered with them, and I absolutely love these balls. So you see these all have symbols all over them. You may be thinking, well, what the heck does that do? Well, this helps you visualize the line. So if you look at your contact point, if you don't know what the contact point is that imaginary ball that represents to where your cue ball has to hit this ball. And it's always going to be dead straight in with the pocket. But there's guaranteed to be a symbol along that line. And along this line, there's a green star. So now, instead of aiming into a random sea of orange, we're aiming for that green star. We can really focus in on that green star. And if we contact that green star, we're going to make it. So after we make it, we set it back up. You don't stop there. You keep going until you don't really need to look at your contact point anymore. And if you get off track, you can go back and look at your contact point. Find, oh, there's a red square that I have to hit. And then hit that red square. Until your muscles remember that shot perfectly. And then you move on to a new shot. This helps shots of all difficulties, of all lengths. If you find your contact point correctly, usually you can just take your stick, move it between the line. Right here is a red triangle. Then you just aim for that red triangle, make the shot, and scratch in the corner. So, these balls come in sets of 2, 4, and 8. And these are all made in Belgium. These are Aramith cue balls. Aramith cue balls, so top of the line cue balls. And you may be thinking, these balls are a little pricey. And I'm not going to argue with you there. They are pricey, but if you consider it as an investment in your game, you don't get any better if you don't invest in your game. It's all about making the right investments, though. There are some products that I don't recommend. There's some training balls that I don't recommend, but these are training balls that I do recommend. If you consider them as an investment, a 2-ball set is $80, and 4-ball set is $120. So 4 balls, $120. That's actually cheaper than just getting 4 Aramith measle red dot balls. Now you go out and place 3rd in a weekly tournament. There's your investment back. You go out and place 3rd because you practice with these balls, and now your shot making is through the roof. You've made your investment back. And then, since you've improved, you go and win 2nd, and then you win an extra $200. Then you go and win 1st and win $400. And look at that. You have your investment back just from a simple either $80 to $120 investment. So if you consider these not as just, oh, I'm going to buy them, and then I'm just going to get better. You don't consider, I'm going to make more money. Because pool is a money sport. You're going to make more money as you get better. And these are a great investment that help you get better. So if you'd like to order these, I have the link down in the description of this video. So in the description of this video, click that drop down arrow and you will see the link to these balls. Now I do not promote anything that I do not like. And they sent me these balls and I practiced with them for a few weeks before I decided, hey, this is something I want to work with. So I've actually hit around with these before I've even thought about making videos on them. And these are something I truly, truly, truly love. And I reached out to them to see if I could represent them. And if they said no, I was just going to make a video on them anyway. So click the link in the description to order these balls. Consider it as an investment in your game. You always need to invest in yourself if you want to grow as a player. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button on this video. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and notification saying I've uploaded a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.